Hey there guys, and thank you for coming back to my review channel for today's review. We got some of these here, mini gummy noodles, soft gummy mix. I got this over at Express Smart. I liked it because it is in a like a carton that you would get similar to that of a Chinese food, like a pint of Chinese food. So they advertise mini gummy noodles. Nutrition facts: serving size is 1 serving. This is 1 serving. Amount per serving: calories 120 calories, total fat 0.5 grams, 1% of your daily value, sad fat 0, sodium 10 milligrams, 0% of your daily value, total carbs 28 grams, 10% of your daily value, total sugars 19 grams, includes 9 grams of added sugar, 70% of your daily value, protein is 1 gram. Artificially flavored gummies. There is gelatin in this, and there is wheat flour, so the glutinous people should avoid this. This is manufactured by a company called Raindrops. Enjoy the adventure. And product of the Netherlands. That's pretty cool. So let's pop this bad boy open. Just like that. And here's what you get inside. You get a bunch of different looking noodles. I really like the package. That's really cool, I'm not going to lie. So let's see what we get here with our mini gummy noodles. I like this one the most. This reminds me of like a Starburst candy. Oh, they are hard. That was like a cherry with cream. Actually, strawberry with cream. Egg. Gotta have egg. When you have Chinese food, there's always eggs involved. Doesn't taste like egg. Just tastes like a gummy. A hard to eat gummy at that. I really was excited. Here's some shrimp. Looks like a shrimp, right? No flavor really, which is a bit of disappointing, but there's something different to try. This, I guess, is supposed to be a pepper. I like that the shapes are really defined. And here is your gummy noodles. Wow. Really having a hard time eating this. Like, it's still... There's a lot to this. So glad I was able to finish that one. You get 4 pieces of gummy noodles. I'd say that they are roughly about 2.5 feet. And no nutrition value whatsoever. The noodle has a bit of a taste of like pineapple, perhaps, maybe even mango. I realize the flavors are two very different, but it do taste like a citrus note off that. Wow. The red string actually tastes a little bit like apple. That's weird. Definitely playing mind games with my senses. Yeah, I would definitely say that it's like an apple-esque taste. And that's it. They advertised soft gummy mix. That is a lie. That was not at all a soft gummy mix. It was very tough and hard to chew, but would I buy it again? Probably not. But just because of the packaging, because I can't remember the last time I saw something that looked this cool for a package. That's why I got it. It was because it looked like this. Oh, those were candy vegetables. That's what those were supposed to be. And you only get one of each, by the way. You got 2 strings of each different color. They really, like I said, they don't really taste like much. I taste a little bit of citric, like a citrus taste on some things. And other things I taste more apple, which is weird to me personally. And strawberry. So strawberry, citrus, and apple. Different flavors you get from mini gummy noodles from Raindrops. As always, guys, my name is Johnny5. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. If you did, you give me a thumbs up. You show me some love in the comment box down below. If you're new to this channel, it's the first video you're catching. There's a lot more content coming up. You're going to want to see it. So make sure you subscribe in the corners and you ring that bell. Daily uploads here. It means you get a video every day. And check the description box for Jay Gleese's channel. And I will catch up with you guys on the next one. Leave me some love in the comment box. Your suggestions. Mini gummy noodles. I never would have thought. I saw it on a whim. I bought it, picked it up, and that's how we're over here. So you let me know in the comment box what you guys want to see me review. Be good, be safe, guys. Later, taters.